Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on hotspot and connections, and now here you can click on personal hotspot. Now here you can enable your hotspot. After turn on your hotspot, then check your internet connection works properly or not. After that, go back and click on my phone, and then click on check for updates. Now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.